morning, Murrells Inlet. Do you think he rode all the way here from North Myrtle and is now like, oh my god, where am I? Good morning. We are out here in Murrells Inlet. We're gonna do a little bit of fishing. We're just getting launched. It's a little late. It's a little hot. The sun is very strong, but that's okay. Let's see what we can get out of the inlet today. Stu's coming. He's back there somewhere launching his boat. Low tide was, I think, 6 a.m. this morning. So it is 10:30 now. Perfect. We should have no problem getting out. It's gonna be getting back in. That should be fun. We'll have to pay attention to the tide. Sometimes if it's a really low tide, this landing, you have to cross some flats to get to it. And it's a little hard to access sometimes. But we'll see how it goes. All right, let's go do some fishing. Quit it.
I got one too, I think. Oh, no, off it.
Sharp cheddar and Parmesan, the best duos.
Oh, the tide is ripping at it. Maybe we should call it.
You think? If you think so, it's okay.
It's not too long.
You want to just go that way and head back?
Yeah, we can fish along the creek as we go.
Okay, GoPro, stop recording. All right, y'all, we just got back to the boat ramp. It is too hot and too windy, so we're going out. We were really looking forward to having some ceviche though, so it's okay that we didn't catch anything because Murrells Inlet has a plethora of places to get some fresh fish, and it is shrimp trolling season, so fresh shrimp. So we're gonna go ahead, stop, pick up a little bit of shrimp, make some ceviche, and still have a great day. Come on, let's go. Got a pound fresh local shrimp. We're gonna go home and make some ceviche. All right, y'all, you know the deal. We just finished kayaking, so we're gonna get these boats cleaned up. We are gonna mix up some more of our Better boat desalt, and we just have the pump sprayer here that we mixed it up in. We're gonna get these boats all cleaned up.
Hey.
All right, y'all, we just got home. We're gonna whip up a little ceviche and go by the pool, maybe the beach. I don't know, we'll see, but let's whip this up. All right, we had all the ingredients in our cooler, so let's go ahead. We've got limes, lemons, tomatoes, cucumber, a mango, and here we've got cilantro, a red onion, and then our shrimp we just bought. This was locally caught. I believe the guy said yesterday, so we're gonna get this going. All right, I'm gonna chop the onions. Stu's gonna start squeezing the lemons and the limes.
My name's Stu.
Let's get this
I'm the co-host of That's What Carolina Can't Catch Fish.
Okay.
This one's hard as a rock.
So work out. Do some tomato.
Do we have our shrimp tool still? Or is that
It's definitely packed.
I heard this thing on you can roll the lemons to really
And I think it makes them juicier.
break it up. It really. I don't know if it's. Don't move.
Scary.
Could never do that to you. You only caught fish today.
Ain't that the truth? I'm in fact feeling I haven't caught any fish today. It's hard, you know, being the fish catcher.
That helps so much.
Really?
Yeah. Giuseppe, learn your new trick, buddy.
I don't think Giuseppe likes lemons and lime. You know what he does like though? Cucumber. Is this true?
Big boy.
Ooh. Cucumber was like frozen a little bit.
That's why my limes are no bueno. Because they're frozen.
That could be it. Because they were really soft earlier.
This is the Frogmore Toadfish Shrimp Cleaning Tool. So we got some nice South Carolina shrimp here. You take the tip, you're gonna run it down, put it in here, insert it, run it through the top. I'm gonna do this while showing you guys. Okay, back to the shrimp. And then you'll come towards the tail, you keep pushing, and then you'll see it deveins them, butterflies them, and gets the shell off all in one. So if you'd like to buy local shrimp, that's the way to do it.
Alrighty, we have all of our shrimp and our citrus. You can already see it starting to turn pink. It will turn pink all the way through. We've got our cilantro in there, and then once that's ready, we will add in all of our veggies. We've got tomatoes, cucumbers, mango, onion, and then we'll add in some of this tahini seasoning. This is so good.
Hey.
Alright, here we are by the pool. We got our ceviche. It looks so good. You can see how the shrimp turned pink and white. So it's cooked now. We got it all mixed up. Time to enjoy.